making a Sita inspired makeup look today and I created it. Do you like it? Yeah. If you wanna see how to get this look, and this is a chunni of my suit because we don't have dresses like Sita wears. Please keep watching. To prime my face, I'm gonna use my Color Essence Color Your Spirit pre-makeup base and applying it all over my face. Primers get into your pores and smoothens them out. So it is so important to use primers before makeup and also to wash your face when you are taking off your makeup if you want to make your pores happy. Don't sleep with makeup on your face. This is a makeup base but it is more like a primer. Foundation I am using is from Color Essence. It looks natural, it is lightweight, it feels that you have nothing on your face. Literally nothing. Rub your finger onto this and dab it here. Beauty blender. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and blending my foundation really well. If the foundation of your face doesn't match your neck, it separates your neck and your face. I'll quickly do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Bam! Her eyebrows are more straighter than I have and I tried making it that way using my natural eyebrow shape. Now I'm taking a golden shade and applying it all over my crease area. Applying golden, orange, peachy shade on your eyelids really makes your eyes pop. Applying it all over my crease area. Blending it really nicely. Using a really light hands and circular motions. Now I'm taking the pink color and applying it at the inner half of my eye. If you want to be more focused at one area, so hold your brush from the middle, or if you want to blend a bigger area, hold it from the end. Use light hands, circular motions. Now I'm taking the green color and applying it outer half of my eye. Focused, hold it from the middle and focus. Her eyes are not that dark, so I am not using any dark or vibrant colors, just simple light colors with light hands. Blending everything with light hands, make sure there is no harsh edges. Be careful that you are not mixing all the colors together. Now I am taking my concealer from Swiss Beauty and my shade is 01 Light Wheat. Applying it under my eyes, including this area, to make your face look more bright. Blend it using a beauty blender. Don't rub your beauty blender to your face, just dab it using upward and downward motion. Skin of your under eyes is 10 times more sensitive, 10 times more thinner as compared to the skin of the rest of your face. So be careful. Mascara and applying it on my eyelashes. This mascara is really nice. It really gives you a long eyelash effect. Now I'm taking my eyelashes and applying it using my hands. Placing it in the middle and attaching each corners one by one. Her eyelashes are more at a natural side and not that heavy one to pop your eyes. So I'm using these lashes, very natural, very lightweight on my eyelids. Really close to my lash line. I'm not taking out a wing because she don't have wing. Now she really has a bold kajal under her waterline. So I'm gonna use L18 kajal on my waterline, following it with a Lakme eyeliner to create a more bold look. Do you people also stretch your eyes like this while applying kajal? If you do, comment below. Done with the kajal, I'm gonna take my Lakme eyeliner and following this line, joining the actual line of my eyes. Now I am giving little more coverage under my eyes using my Colorbox face powder from Oriflame. Just slightly dab it here. It also removes any fallouts under your eyes. For my cheeks, I am gonna use my Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter, which has a really pretty pink glow to it, and I love pink and golden glow. Just like that. This brick highlighter is my favorite because it is pink, it is golden. You don't have to add another golden highlighter if you are using this because it has golden, white, pink, everything in just one compact packaging. Coming to the next thing is nose contouring, and for that I am using this brush which is perfect for your nose. Taking it from the palette and applying it lightly at the side of my nose. Slimmer looking nose. Now taking the golden color from this palette and applying at the bridge of my nose using my hands. On my cupid's bow. And little bit on my brow bone. Do you like it? Yes? I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. For my lips, I'm gonna use my Swiss Beauty Matte and Metallic Lasting Lip Gloss in the shade S03. It is matte from this side and metallic from this side. So I'm gonna use the metallic one and applying it on my lips. And over that, I'm gonna use my Matte Lip Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade S18 Fire Red. And dabbing it on my lips really lightly. So the best part of today's look is bindi. I love wearing bindi. It just changes your look like this, like this, like this. I'll do my hairs, I'll wear jewelry, and I'll be back. So that's it for the look today. I hope you liked the video. Two things I didn't manage to get is one nose pin that she is wearing and one flower braid here.